Hi, my name's Jelana. Thanks for coming through to check out this video, where I'm actually coming to you from a beach in the beautiful Pacific Northwest region of the United States. And I'm actually on kind of a workcation here. You're probably wondering who I am and why I'm shooting this video, so let me introduce myself more properly. My name is Jelana Ray, and since the end of 2015, I've been working for myself through starting an internet business. And what that's enabled me to do is to live a very different kind of a lifestyle. Back in 2015, when I was working a corporate job, I was working week on and week off as a mariner, and I was always away at sea, always away from home, working for administrators that didn't really seem to care about their employees. And while I was making enough money to get by, I began to feel more and more like my life was revolving around this job, and I was unfulfilled. I was becoming more and more frustrated and restless, and one day I was looking around at the people in positions above me and thinking, that is not who I want to become. That's not who I am. And so at that moment I decided enough is enough, and I began to search for a better way, a better solution. I just knew there was something better out there for me. So near the end of that same year, I came across a new kind of business model, working online, and the best thing about it was the lifestyle that it would be, that I would be able to lead. I would be able to live life on my terms. And yes, there's a lot of work involved, of course, but the thing I love most is the flexibility and the freedom that it gives me. No more trading my time for money, no more dealing with negative coworkers, no more answering to a boss telling me when I can take a vacation and for how long. And what I mean more specifically is that I was able to learn a business model that enables me to earn money whether I'm working or not. Now, don't twist my words here, because there is a lot of work involved, but the difference being that once I put the work in, then I can keep tweaking and optimizing and changing the system up until it's working for me 24/7, 365 days a year. Since July of 2017, I was able to quit my job and work full-time on my business, helping other people to achieve the same and really help people to enter into this new territory of starting their own lifestyle businesses through mentorship and training and learning some new skills. It really is about being able to earn money in your own way. One of the things that shocks people is the fact that it doesn't really take hundreds of thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars like most traditional businesses would. It doesn't require staff or any of the traditional overhead that you might expect with a regular brick and mortar business, and it's something you can start around your job or around your current business. As you can probably imagine, a lot of people really want to learn more about this kind of business model, because here it is 2018 and everyone knows that we're living in a digital world and we have a digital economy now. So I don't have it all figured out yet. I'm still on my journey, but I am at a point where I would like to share with you for free some information, some principles in a 7-day video series. It's the very same video series that was sent to me and got me started on my online journey. It was shot by two of my mentors, Stuart Ross and Jay Kubisak, and it'll really help you to understand what you need to do if you want to create this kind of a business model and you want to succeed with this kind of a business model. My passion really has become to open up people's eyes to the possibility of a lifestyle business, a business that enables you to create your lifestyle by your design, because success means different things to different people. For some people it might just mean being able to work from home and spend more time with their children and more time with their loved ones, and maybe for other people it means the ability to travel the world, and maybe for some people it's simply upgrading their income and being able to enjoy some of the finer things in life and live a more opulent lifestyle. It really doesn't matter what it is that you're looking for, but it absolutely is for people that are open-minded. It's for people who feel in their gut that there just might be something better, something more out there for you, rather than just the 9-to-5 grind or the week on, week off grind like I was doing. I started my business without any loans, without any outside funding, and I started it while still working my full-time job, which was almost impossible to do 20 years ago. But now we've got the internet, and we've got the ability to work with completely new business models, and business models that weren't even around before the internet. It's really opened up a lot of doors, and that's what this video series is going to talk more about. So if it sounds interesting to you, then I'm going to suggest that you click the link somewhere on this video, and then what I'm going to do is send you the first of that 7-day video series, and then you'll get one a day over the next week, as well as a printable report that's in there. And I think it's really going to open up some ideas for you. It's really aimed to serve as sort of a pattern interrupt in your life. So if that sounds good, then make sure you click the link and enter your email, and I'll definitely look forward to speaking to you in the future. But with that said, I think I'm going to go ahead and finish my beach walk, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.